Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of D2 chapter number 9 exercise 9C, that is about the translation. In this lesson I will solve basic level question number 1. As the questions are long, so I'll be reading the question from the book. Question 1 says that the vertices of the quadrilateral are A 2 and 1, B 3 3, C 5 3 and D 5 2. Find the coordinates of the vertices of the image of the quadrilateral ABCD under the translation vector T1 5 and minus 4, and then find the image of the new quadrilateral if it undergoes another translation T2 represented by minus 2 and 1 translation vector. Show your working on the sheet of graph paper. So first of all, we can see that basically we are given with the quadrilateral with 4 of its vertices. This quadrilateral is translated by the translation vector T1, that is 5 and minus 4. So first of all, we have to find the image of this quadrilateral under the translation vector 5 and minus 4. So let's move to the solution of the question. So what we have to do, that we know that the rule of translation is that we have to add the translation vector to each vertex to get the answer of the image. So T1 of A will be equal to A dash. That means that when translation vector 5 and minus 4 will be added to 2 and 1, then image will be A dash, that is 5 plus 2 is 7, and minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. A dash is 7 and minus 3. Now we have to find the coordinates of B dash. T1 of B equals to B dash. Now B has the coordinates 3 and 3. 5 minus 4 plus 3 and 3. B has the coordinates 3 and 3 equals to B dash. 5 plus 3 is 8 and minus 1, 8 and minus 1, B dash. And now we have to find the coordinates of the image of C. T1 of C will be equal to C dash, and then what we have to do, T1 has the coordinates 5 and minus 4. It's a column vector 5 and minus 4, and C is 5 and 3, and this will give me 10 and minus 1, 10 and minus 1. So 10 and minus 1 equals to C dash, and then T1 when applied on D will give me D dash, the new image. Okay, so 5 and minus 4 plus D, 5 and 2 equals to D dash, and that is 5 plus 5 is 10 and minus 2 equals to D dash. As we have to find the coordinates, so A dash will be, coordinates of A dash will be 7 and minus 3. B dash coordinates will be 8 and minus 1. C dash, the coordinates will be 10 and minus 1, and D dash, the coordinates will be 10 and minus 2. This is the translation of ABCD in the translation vector T1. Now let's move to the second part of the question, that says that find the image of the new quadrilateral if it undergoes the translation vector T2, image of the new quadrilateral if it goes under the translation vector T2. Okay, now what we have to do, this is the image of the quadrilateral ABCD. It's going under the translation vector T1, and now we have to find the image of the new quadrilateral A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash under the translation vector T2. Now what we have to do, again T of A dash, A prime will be the new image A double dash or A double prime. Now what we have to do, the new translation vector is -2 and 1, and that will be added to 7 and -3, and A double dash will be 5. 7 minus 2 is 5, and 1 minus 3 is -2. A double dash, and now I have to go for the finding of the new image of B. So this will be T of B dash equals to B double dash. Now the translation vector is -2 and 1 plus 8, and -1 equals to B double dash. 8 minus 2 is 6, and 1 minus 1 is 0. B double dash, and then I have to find the new image where this C prime, that is T of C dash, will be equal to C double dash, that is the translation vector 2 and 1, -2 and 1, when will be added to 10, and -1 will give me the new image, that is 8 and 0, and this is C double dash. And now finally the image of D dash under the new translation vector T of D dash equals to D double dash, and that will be equal to, I can perform my working here. Translation vector is 2 minus 2 and 1 plus 10 and -2, 10 and -2, and this will give me 8 and -1. This is the answer of D double dash in the form of column vector. And as we have to find the coordinates, so what we will be doing, we have to write A double dash is 5 and -2, 5 and -2. B double dash is 6 and 0, 6 and 0. C double dash will be 8 and 0, 8 and 0, and D double dash, the new image of D, the final image of D under the translation vector -2 and 1 is 8 and -1. 8 and -1. And let me block the answers. And now the question says that I have to show my working on the graph paper. So it's better to draw the original figure as well. So A has the vertices 2 and 1. A has the vertices, enjoy your geometry work, 2 and 1. B has the vertices 3 with 3. This is B. 3 with 3, and C has the vertices 5 with 3. So C will be coming at this place 5 and 3, and D is 5 and 2. D is 5 and 2, and let me join the points with the help of ruler, and this will give me the shape. Like this. This is the original shape, which is the object, or this is the pre-image. This is the object, and I have to join the points nicely. Okay, this is the object. Let me mark it with O. That tells me the object. Okay, and now first of all I have to mark the first image of object under the translation vector 5 and minus 4. A dash has the coordinates 7 and minus 3. 7 and minus 3. So A dash will be coming at this place. 7 and minus 3. B dash 8 and minus 1. So the B dash 8 and minus 1. C dash 10 and minus 1. C dash 10 and minus 1, and D dash 10 and minus 2. 10 and minus 2. D dash 10 and minus 2 will be marked at this place. And let me join the points nicely with the help of ruler, and we'll get the first image of the given quadrilateral under the translation vector, that is 5 and minus 4. And then after that I have to plot the final image. Let me join this point. Okay, this is the image 1. Let me mark it with I1. And then final image 5 with minus 2. Then A double dash 5 with minus 2 is coming at this place. This is A double dash 5 with minus 2. 5 with minus 2. B double dash 6 with 0. 6 with 0 will be coming at this place. 6 with 0. Then 8 with 0. And then 8 with minus 1. This is B double dash 6 with 0. C double dash is 8 with 0, and D double dash is 8 with minus 1. 8 with minus 1. Let me join the points with the help of ruler and enjoy your geometry work. It gives us real happiness and satisfaction. Okay, join the point, and this is the shape for the final translation, okay, of the given object in the second translation vector. I hope, and let me mark it with I2. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.